product rule video by Nancy and Courtney. 1D2 plus 2D1. Coming! What's up?
I need help with my homework.
What is that, the product rule?
Yeah.
I think I can help you. 1D2 plus 2D1. You know the formula, so now you've begun. The product rule is not that hard. You just multiply. Don't be a lazy lard. You start with the first, and you just write it down. And 42, you take the derivative now. And don't forget to write the plus. I think I forgot the rest. Nancy, can you help me?
Yes.
Then right after that, just write 2. It's a must. Then take the derivative of 1. Look at it now. Isn't it so much fun? Don't forget to simplify and remember to finish your homework. And do not lie. Okay, I'll help you how to do it. Okay. So, we leave the first one the same. Then we take the derivative of that, which is 7. Plus, and then we leave the second one the same. Then we take the derivative of the first, which is 2 plus 10x. And we simplify. Square plus shit, I'm on 70. You want to simplify it, Courtney?
Sure.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Boom. Alright. Then you gotta collect your like terms, right? Yeah, okay, you know about that? So you start with the highest power, 35 plus 70. Gonna get a nice 105 there. 105x squared. You got 14x and 14x. It's gonna be 28x, right? Then you're just left with 2, right? Plus 2. But then you always got to make sure you rewrite it because you're finding y prime, right? So y prime equals 105x squared plus 28x plus 2. You guys got to box it because Mrs. Surgeon likes it boxed. Boom. That's it.
So you get it now?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's more easy.